In the digital age, an increasing number of people are developing innovative and profitable online business ideas and reaping the benefits of self-employment. Entrepreneurs may create stable employment and earn a consistent income without working for anyone else. With so many choices, there is something for everyone to try. Not all online business ideas are worthwhile. Some take an excessive amount of time and generate a sufficient amount of revenue. Some will be unable to make a living for years to come. Others seem to be risky, but pay off in the short and long term. Therefore, how do you decide the ones to try? That is dependent on your abilities, interests, and the amount of time you have available. Why would you want to start an online business? If you're tired of working for someone else or just want to be passionate about your job, an online business can be a good match. As anticipated, the primary benefit of running your own online business is the ability to work from home and set your schedule. If you choose to work for days a week rather than 5, you can do so. If you'd rather sleep late than attend an early morning meeting, that's fine as well. Additionally, an online company entails self-employment. You decide who you deal with, how much you charge, and what inventory or services you sell. You manage every aspect of the company, which means that all of the work you do benefits you directly, not anyone else. Before getting into these ideas, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more similar content. 1. Create a blog. Perhaps you're passionate about food, fashion, or crafting. Or maybe you simply have a plethora of fantastic ideas that you know would benefit others. Creating a blog enables you to express your passion with the world while earning money. One way to earn money blogging is to display advertisements on your site. Google AdSense and similar programs automatically put related advertisements on your blog. You decide what types of advertisements to show and where to display them. You gain money each time someone views or clicks on an advertisement. Affiliate marketing is another way to earn money blogging. Affiliate marketing is a term that refers to the act of linking to a product for sale on another website. When readers click on your link and purchase the product, you earn a commission. Amazon offers an easy-to-use affiliate marketing platform that is an excellent starting point for new bloggers. A blog has low startup costs. You'll still need to buy a domain name and web hosting for your website. 2. Start a dropshipping company. Although dropshipping is not a new concept, the terminology is exactly like the technology that enabled it. Dropshipping is similar to selling goods or items in a physical store, except that you use an online storefront and do not handle inventory. Simply build the product, which can range from mugs and t-shirts to coloring books, and sell it through a website such as Amazon, BigCommerce, or Shopify. When a customer orders your item, a wholesaler will ship or mail it to them instead of you. When you are not handling inventory, you must also make an effort to attract customers to your shop. It's not an easy job, particularly if you're entering a competitive niche, but it is possible. Paid ads and identifying goods that sell well will be critical to your dropshipping success. If you're willing to invest the time necessary to learn about paid marketing and can locate high-margin physical or digital goods to sell, you can earn a good living with this online company. 3. Virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant is one of the most common home business ideas right now. In several ways, a virtual assistant assists business owners. As a virtual assistant, you have the freedom to select the services you deliver based on your specific skill set and interests. If you have a keen eye for detail and an aptitude for grammar, you might consider working as a proofreader. If you're comfortable with social media, you might provide social media management services for your preferred channels. Additionally, you may assist business owners with email management, blog writing, and customer care, among other tasks. Numerous alternatives exist. 4. Sell products on Etsy. Artists, knitters, jewelry designers, and other talented individuals now have a place to sell their products thanks to platforms like Etsy. Additionally, consumers should browse for exclusive items that are not available at a big box retailer. The amount of money you earn is determined by the products you sell, the profit margins, and the price point at which customers are willing to pay. 5. Start flipping blogs. You've probably heard of flipping homes, in which individuals purchase a home with potential that requires some effort. They make the necessary repairs or enhancements and then resell the property at a profit. Although house flipping involves a significant financial investment and a significant amount of effort, blog flipping is significantly easier. Blog flippers create blogs, intending to gain a large number of followers and page views. If you've amassed a sizable following and a consistent revenue stream, you sell the blog for a profit. Alternatively, you can purchase an already established blog, work to increase the site's traffic and authority, and then sell it to the highest bidder. This enables you to earn money without having to maintain a blog continuously. There are numerous websites dedicated to the purchase and sale of websites and blogs, but Flippa is one of the most common. 6. Social media influencer. Instagram is an excellent platform for launching an online company. You may use Instagram to sell your goods, promote your services, or advertise for other brands. It's rapidly evolving into something more than a way to keep tabs on your friends' pets, holidays, and meals. Instagram is not the only site on which you can earn money. YouTube is rapidly evolving into a forum for full-time video bloggers. Creating a YouTube channel and creating entertaining videos that add value to your audience is one of the quickest and most effective ways to build an audience. You can create tutorials for crafts or cooking, perform interviews, or use whiteboard videos to teach a topic. Earning money as a social media influencer is straightforward, but not always convenient. To begin, choose a niche and research the strategies of other paying influencers. Following that, create a dedicated social media account and focus on growing your committed audience. Maintain a regular posting schedule and share useful knowledge relevant to your niche. As your following grows, affiliate companies such as ShopStyle, Share a Sale, or Amazon will enable you to share your unique links with your followers. You receive a small commission each time someone purchases an item through your links. 7. Facebook Ads Manager. Consider the local businesses in your neighborhood, such as coffee shops, gyms, bookstores, and law firms. Chances are, the majority of them would like to increase their clientele or customers but lack the necessary skills. That is where you can assist. You can collaborate with them on Facebook advertising campaigns to assist them in growing their business. Many small businesses are aware they need to advertise on Facebook but lack the knowledge and time to do so. If you can master the art of running Facebook advertising efficiently, small business owners will happily pay for your expertise. This does not include a fancy website or other advanced marketing experience. You can operate a Facebook advertising company in as little as 2 or 3 hours per week. The entry barrier is low. All you need is a Facebook profile, an email address, and a PayPal account. 8. Seal stock images. If you enjoy photography, you might consider selling stock images online. Businesses use stock images in their advertisements and on their websites. Two of the most famous stock image websites are Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Both sites accept submissions from everyone, and you are compensated for each picture downloaded. To earn money selling stock photos, ensure that you are uploading the types of images that people need. Typically, businesses are searching for fairly generic photos, scenes from nature, food, and people at work or doing daily activities such as cooking or watching television. These types of images sell well and can earn you a lot of money. The internet is brimming with opportunities to earn money. If you want to sell crafts on Etsy, use your technical skills to create website themes or write social media articles. There are numerous online business opportunities to explore. Which online business is best for you will vary according to your experience, preferences, and expertise. If you've spent the last decade in marketing, you may wish to pursue a career in social media management or as a brand strategist. If you've previously worked as an administrative assistant, you might consider venturing out and starting a virtual assistant company. Utilize the skills you've acquired during your career to establish your new company.